Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me using some new makeup. So most of the products on my face are oldies but goodies, things that I love, things that I've raved about, SHEGLAM, e.l.f. products, everything under the sun, including some new products from the Emily in Paris collection from Revolution, which they actually did send my way. I did post it over my TikTok, so definitely follow me over there. I did swatches as well. So up close look at this collection. There's a look at the box. Everything looks so nice and just like red chrome. We see cameras, images from the show and everything. So if you want to see my thoughts on all those products, good, the ugly, what I loved, what I hated, just keep on watching. So first off, we're going to go ahead and start off with the Revolution Emily in Paris cat. What? There is a look at this lip balm. It is so cute. If you didn't see the up close of this collection, I have it over on my TikTok. So cute, so unexpected. And when it came in, I was like, God, I really want to watch the show. Let me know if you watch Emily in Paris. Is it good? Let me know down below. I'm sure it is, because they literally have so many collaborations. But when I saw this lip balm, girl, this is adorable. It looks like so. And then when you do open it, there's a look at the lip balm. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on a little bit before we get started with our brows. Ooh, that feels so nice on the lips. It's like kind of creamy vibes. It does melt, like melts down once you like start swirling your finger around there. Feels so nice on the lips. Cute. Go ahead and throw on some brows using my favorite SHEGLAM product. You guys know if you know, the Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the sheet chocolates. I love this, so good. I love that this side is so precise and it's like a micro brow kind of situation, and then the other side is a like pen moment. So good. Love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the brows real quick. Nothing really new on this side. All right, taking the pen side, I'm just gonna like fill in any of the sparse areas in the brow. Again, I love this product, so quick and easy, and this is so inexpensive as well. Each little like pen is like $2.99 on the website. So good. The next few products are actually from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. If you guys know me, I've talked about it for a while now on my channel. So I do have two e.l.f. primers. First off, I'm going to throw on some of the Power Grip primer. This is the one with niacinamide in it. So I'm going to just go ahead and take some pumps of that and just start blending it all in. This is definitely a video that I planned to film today, yet my sleep did not want to budge. I was so sleepy. So now I'm like cutting it a little close. So next we're taking the Poreless putty primer. Girl, I need to finish this up already. It's just like it's gone on way too much, like almost out. I just need to focus on it. Just gonna blend that right in, get all those pores minimized. Love how it just leaves the face. As you can see, it does give you that blurring effect. Looks so good. For foundation or CC cream, we're taking the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, color correcting, full coverage, natural finish with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, broad spectrum, SPF 30 sunscreen. Literally read the whole label when I have no time to spare, but this one here is in medium 330W, favorite. You guys know, literally reach for this all the time. I'm gonna take a couple pumps and just go to town. So next we have a few more e.l.f. products. We have their Halo Glow Beauty ones. We have their contour. You guys know, girl, these two plus their blush is so nice as well. But I love these products from e.l.f. I don't know what it is. It's just so good. So we're going to go ahead and bronze up the skin. We do have a new blush. So hold tight, please. I'm just going to pop that on those contour areas. This has become like one of my favorite steps is cream bronzer again. I love how it just blends out. Love it. And just like bronzer in general, I love how it just shapes out the face. So cute. Just going right away with highlight, we have the one in Rose Quartz. For a blush today, we're going to use the Revolution Emily in Paris. This is a lip and cheek blush in the shade E150. I'm shocked that they don't have like a cute little name to it, but you can use this on your lips or on your cheeks. So today I'm going to use it on my cheeks. I also noticed, like, swatching it over on my TikTok, it is more on that light kind of like lip stain side. So I don't really feel like I would use that for my lips, but for blush, why not? So I'm going to pack a little bit of that on, and we're going to blend right away because I don't know the pigmentation levels of this product. I overdid it, okay, but but as you can see, it's like a light kind of moment, so it doesn't like, it's like pigmented, but you can blend it out. I am going to go back with my sponge right now because, girl, this is a little wild, but that's so pretty. I'm toning it down just a little bit with my sponge. But you see how easily it just like blended into the face? That looks stunning. And then this side is just like obviously wild, but it's really pigmented. This is such a beautiful color as well. Next, taking my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Love this. I feel like I'm almost out of this, which is kind of sad. I'm gonna have to repurchase, but we're gonna take this one here in the shade Medium Beige. Just start concealing the under eyes. Today I did go ahead and clean all my makeup, and it just feels so good to do that because, girl, like once you're like touching everything with your makeup pans and fingerprints getting everything and the smudges and all that, like it doesn't feel as luxe when you're going through your collection. Clean your makeup, girl. If you haven't, it definitely is a game changer. It makes everything look just like new and like you haven't touched it in a while. So I definitely recommend, if you're in a makeup funk or something, clean your makeup because it's relaxing, and also it's just like, it's good for your makeup because it's all dirty and such. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just blend this in. I'm gonna take my SHEGLAM Velvet Veil to set the under eyes, as well as take this all over the face, which is the SHEGLAM Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Honey. All-time favorite duos for the face. I'm telling you, this e.l.f. concealer is just so good. Again, taking that powder on the under eyes. I'm telling you, this skin veil is so good as well. I'm like definitely on a SHEGLAM high right now. I just love their products. I've talked about them for years. It's just so good. This one I repurchased quite a few times. So like SHEGLAM, e.l.f., all those brands, give them a try because they have some really good gems in their satchel, girl. Why did I say satchel? I don't know, but here we go. The T-zone area I like to set with this because it does keep me matte throughout the day. It also does give me a little bit of blurring. So taking the powder foundation, which is just going to give me a little more coverage, and also just set my face. We do have a new highlight, but for blush and bronzer, we do have two of the one size products, girl. These are so good, super pigmented, but so worth it. We have the Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio in the shade Medium Dark. I love this packaging as well. Chrome red, so nice. And this is the colors that we have to work with. For today, I was going with that middle shade, so we're going to do that again today, and I'm going to use the mirror in here. But these are ultra pigmented, so definitely be careful. A little bit goes a long way, girl. So for blush, we have the One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio in the shade Fat A. Yeah. And there's a look at the colors. I was going with this shade. They have a shimmer shade here, a matte shade, and then a cream. But I always just go in with, oh, that cream is looking kind of wild. I never use that. We're gonna go in with that middle shade. These are also extremely pigmented. I'll take some on the cheeks. Tone everything down right now, but before we do, we have the Emily in Paris highlight. This is called, oh, it just says highlighter. Look at that packaging, it's stunning. There's some gloss to it. That is so cute. I also did get a couple other products, like we have a makeup bag, we have some blotting papers. So nice. You get a mirror in here as well, and there's a look at the highlight. It almost looks like a, oh, it is ombre. I didn't even notice that. It's like an ombre kind of vibe. So we're gonna take that on the face as well as in the inner corner. I should have known. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, girl. This is so pigmented. That's so beautiful. Look at that glow. I filled in the brows a little more. We're gonna take my all-time favorite BeBella browmination brow gel on to the brows just to set them down, make sure they don't move, you know, all that. I'm having a really good brow day today, in my opinion. You know what? I just want to do lips now that we're here. What is going on here? So we're gonna take my favorite favorite Ebony New York lip liner in the shade brown. This is a new and fresh lip liner. Girl, I go through these like water, okay? All right, so there's a lip liner. We also had a few lipsticks from this line. This is called the Emily in Paris Revolution lipstick. That's all we get. And these don't have the names on them either. I don't know what's going on here, but basically this is the red lipstick. And then there's like a nude one, a light like pinky nude, and then we have the red, which I'm so excited about. This is so luxe looking. I love the red chrome vibes. Ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. I could even just wear it on its own like this with the lip liner. But I do want to throw in a little bit of gloss today. We have the AWA Studio Lip Pop lip gloss. I haven't used this one in eons. This one here is in the shade Celeb. Oh, definitely brighter than I anticipated. I might not take the lip gloss with me, but it looked so good, just the lip liner and the lipstick. But with the gloss, it just adds, you know, that extra kind of vibe. We have a few more products to go through. We have, first off, let me apply some of this eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. Waterproof Gel Liner. If you guys watched my other video, my shop, my stash, get ready with me. The struggle with this liner, it's not cute. So we do have an eyeshadow palette in this collection, Revolution Emily in Paris eyeshadow. It just says palette. So cute. It's unmistakable. They only came out with one, so you can't pick up the wrong one, but it looks like a little camera. How cute is that? And if you guys know me, if you guys have been on my channel since the very beginning, I did a video saying, I think it was called like Steph in Paris or something, or like facts about Paris, and literally it was a get ready with me using some makeup. I think it was like new makeup, I don't remember, talking about Paris. I've never been there. I literally googled stuff and I cited them in the description box. Like, why? I don't know, but so cute. It just gives me vibes like I've always wanted to go to Paris. Why is my eye itchy? All that to say that they came out with a palette, and this is so cute. It's a little camera, and then on the inside we get no mirror in here, but we do get a few shades. I did again swatch this over my TikToks. If you want to see up close and personal swatches and looks at these products, you can check that out. I'm gonna have a link down below. But there's a look at the color story of this palette. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create something real quick, something to go with the lips hopefully, and let's see what happens. I'm gonna take the shade Desire, which is actually a more like peachy tone. I think I was like, should I go more pink or more peachy vibes? I always do pink, so. Ooh, I love this brush. It's so good. It just blends out the shadows so perfectly. This is a Eco Tools brush. Next I'm gonna take the shade Cafe, which is like a dark, almost like brown kind of vibe, right? Ooh, I just noticed that center shade is stunning as well. But we're gonna take that Cafe shade to kind of like deepen out this outer corner a bit. What lips looked better when they were matte, right? Now I'm looking at it, I'm like, I'm not living for that gloss, so I am gonna tap it out right now with a tissue or something. I don't know. Next, taking the shade Fashion, throwing that right on the lid. Oh, that shade is beautiful. Okay, you guys know the drill. Taking Cafe back here in the outer corner and just sweeping everything through. I am getting fallout. I'm gonna sweep it away right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep that on the under eyes. And that's pretty much it for eyes, and they look so good. For liquid liner, I do have this liner from Target. It was on clearance, girls. So this is the Wet n Wild break-up proof waterproof liquid eyeliner. It is up to 16-hour wear, and it was on clearance for $384. It says original price was $549, so I think that was so cool. My sister was raving about this the other day, and she said that she really enjoyed it, so I'm like, let's pick it up, girl, and see what's going on here. But again, clearance especially, like, it just feels good. It's not as dark as I love. Kind of sad. It's not as dark as I usually go for with my liners. You can definitely tell a difference. I've witnessed darker liners, okay? It was really nice and easy to work with. Went on really nice, but you know, it's cute. Definitely not a favorite liner by far. Literally, the Irony Cosmetics from the Dollar Tree is deeper, darker, easier to work with, but girl, this is not bad. It's actually a really good liner. So if you're on the market, it's on clearance, do it. But yeah, just know it's not going to be super dark. It's just like almost like, it's not a pitch black, it's almost just like a normal black liner. Mascara, we are taking, well, you know what, before mascara, let's just spray our face now that we're here. Revolution Sports Fix to top everything off. Mascara, I only thought it to be fitting to include this red chrome mascara that's in my collection to go with the other chrome products. So this is the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara, and they also did send this to me, which I was so excited about. I've used this like once or twice before. I love the wand, so we're gonna take that through the lashes. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I did go ahead and remove the lip gloss. I feel like it was just like taking away from the grungy vibes of the eyes. I think everything just came together so nicely. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you going to pick up any of the Revolution and Emily in Paris products? Let me know in the comments. Also, e.l.f., check them out. SHEGLAM, all the products that I used today, girl, were top favorites. I'm only going to use things that I love, especially when I'm testing out new products. So yeah, really love everything. Everything came out so nice. Lashes definitely brought everything together. Lips look good finally. So yes, let me know your thoughts again in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.